any problem in your life yet? How many times have you heard people saying, I have a lot of problems. I cannot do this because I have this problem. I could not do that because I had that problem. And they have list of problems for not doing something in their life. When problems come in our life, we become antagonistic to our problems. We feel bad about it. We become negative about it. But to the contrary, I enjoy the problems. Once, one of my clients came to me and said, I'm sick of my life. I'm fed up of my life. I don't want to live here because there is no perfect peace and quiet. There is only tension, worry, and problems and problems. So I want to move from here to some place where I can have perfect peace and quiet, no problem, no tension, no worry at all. I said, I know a place here in the city. There you can get no problem, no peace, no problem, no worry, and perfect peace and quiet. He said, really? In this city? How come it is possible? I said, yes, in this Ranchi city I know a place where people have already moved and they are enjoying perfect peace and quiet. He said, take me there at once. I took him there and he faced a massive iron gate mounted by 2 high walls. I said, enter this gate. And he entered the gate. He came out all of a sudden. Have you gone crazy? This is a graveyard. And I don't want to live in the graveyard. I said, on this entire planet, I know this is the only place where you can have perfect peace, quiet, no worry, no tension at all. My dear friends, Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests, how do you feel when you have some problem? What do you think when you have some problem? Generally, 90% people become antagonistic to their problem. They are worried about it. They become negative about it. And the situation is worse. But why I enjoy the problems? Because problems come in your life to give a cut on you, to sharpen you, to sharpen you, to make you better, to make you lighter, to make you successful. Once an eagle was asked, what is your biggest problem? Eagle said, the wind. It does not let me fly when I want to fly. It does not let me go to the direction where I want to go. My wings get broken when I want to fly. It hurts me. It beats me when I am flying in the sky very high. I want to get out of it. God has stopped it. And he fell down on the ground and died. My dear friends, the air and the wind, which was the problem in his life, was also the reason of his life. My dear friends, in your life, the problem which you face are reason for making life meaningful, because problems are what makes life meaningful and overcoming them is what makes life successful. So rather than becoming antagonistic to your problem, you are supposed to encounter your problem and enjoy your problem. When problems come in my life, I dance. When problems come in my life, I sing. When problems come in my life, I laugh and I become positive about it and I encounter my problem and I overcome my problems, because I know problems come in my life to make me better. Problems are like a washing machine. They will turn you. They will twist you. They will rub you. But finally you will come out brighter, lighter, cleaner, softer and better than before. So don't be antagonistic to the problem when it comes into your life. Dance, enjoy, sing and feel it, accept it and encounter it and enjoy life. Once in a temple, there was a conversation going between the statue and the floor. The floor was asking from the statue, my dear friend, why there is a big difference between your life and my life? People love you, respect you, adore you, worship you. On the other hand, I'm ignored, I'm objected, I'm crushed. But you know, my dear friend, we have come from the same place. We have been taken out from the same mine. After all, we are marble. But you are respected, I am humiliated. The statue replied, I agree, we are marble at all. But do you remember when we were taken out from the mines? An artist had come to you first of all, with a hammer in his hand. Say, I will cut you, I will beat you, I will shackle you, but you will be a statue. You will be worshipped, accepted, loved. You objected him. And when he came to me, I accepted him. He cut on me, he beat me, he shackled me. I had a pain, but I accepted the pain. And finally I became a statue. And it became a marble. This is why, this is a big difference between your life and my life, my dear friends. The successful people in their life have faced a number of problems, because success is not in absence of problems, it is overcoming the problems. So wherever problems come into your life, rather than escaping from your problems, rather than running away from your problems, you have to accept it, you have to feel it, and you have to encounter it, and laugh, and dance, and enjoy, and face it. When problems stop coming in your life, when problems are not coming in your life, having no problem in life is the biggest problem in life. If you are not facing problems, you are going into a bigger problem in coming time. So when problems stop coming, sit down on your feet and pray to God, send me some problems so that I can become better, lighter than before. Thank you very much. Over to you.